Did you get her number?
I did.
Oh my god.
Yeah, finally.
Today I'm with Brent, subscribers that reached out to me a few months ago, and he's agreed to take part in the little social animal experiment.
I'm a stage performer, so I have great confidence when it comes to going on stage and singing a song in front of an audience or speaking in front of an audience. I think I want to develop a confidence in other situations that I'm not as comfortable, like just breaking the ice with random strangers.
So we're gonna get started.
That's right.
Do a few runs, just see how you do, and then we'll take it from there.
All right. I was like, yeah, I didn't want to. I wanted to turn to her and be like, hey, so, how's your day going? Or, like, what brings you here? You come here often? I just didn't really know what to say. Because I didn't feel like I had a reason to say anything.
There's a fountain. You're here. You're gonna watch the water. There's someone next to you. You say hi. Like, it's almost like, imagine if you were just like a very warm, polite person. Like, there's someone next to you. You acknowledge their existence.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Like, you don't need to feel that you have a whole agenda behind. Like, you're just saying, how are you? Like, it's not. You know what I mean?
You think that sounds so easy to do, but in practice, it feels so much more difficult. How are you doing, sir? Doing all right? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah. Do you come here often, Washington Square Park?
I'm busy.
You're busy? What are you reading right now? Have a good day, sir. Hi, man. How are you doing today? Doing well?
What about your love life? Are you dating?
It's funny that you ask. So I'm curious, what surprised you about married life? And it was just the most joy-filled experience I ever had seeing a concert. Like, he performed the entire album, plus some other songs, and did some improv sessions with his band on stage.
I love, is it I Wish?
Yeah. I wish those days, yeah, could come back once more. Yeah. But it's...
I'm so sorry, I got friends.
Oh, of course.
I gotta go. My husband just
Of course.
texted that he's done to meet him. But I thought I had a card, but I don't.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna give you my card.
Yeah, I'll give you my card. Why not? Why not? If you know anybody who needs a musician.
A musician or a boyfriend?
Sure, yeah. If you know any 20-something ladies.
Or does it have to be a Jersey girl?
No, has to be a quality woman.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
Good answer.
Yes.
All right, friend.
Really nice talking with you,
You too, my dear. Have a great day.
You as well.
Stay well.
Take care.
Ciao.
Okay,
All right.
so first interaction, first of all, like, damn, it lasted so long. After getting cold feet and that buzzy guy, it was important to get the ball rolling, and he ended up talking to that woman for 45 minutes. You mentioned that, you were also interested in, like, meeting a woman you're attracted to.
Part of the challenge of, like, if I see an attractive young lady who I want to speak with, like, what I'm thinking about is what are they assuming my intentions are. Like, some of them might assume, like, if I'm a guy who's trying to sit down next to her and talk to her, she might think in her mind, like, oh, this guy's trying to hit on me. And
Okay, so now I have a question for you. What's wrong with that intention?
there's nothing wrong with that intention.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with it. As long as, it's coming from a good place. I don't have ulterior motives. Like,
I mean, you do, but you don't have any bad motives. Like,
I don't have any bad motives.
You don't want to harass the person. You don't want to make them uncomfortable.
Of course.
If they don't want to talk to you, you don't want to talk to them.
Of course.
That's fine. But I think that the most important thing is that you have to come to a place where you're comfortable with your intentions.
Yeah.
I think that one of the first milestone I think is to be able to walk up to a girl with the only excuse that you're attracted to her.
how's your day going? Doing okay? I just wanted to say I think you're really cute. Yeah, and I like your shoes especially. They look very new, like just busting them out, right? Yeah, they match your jacket too. Do you? Sorry?
Are you from here?
Am I from here? Yeah, I'm just visiting the city for the day. Like, I'm from Queens, that's where I grew up, and just taking the day off, coming out to Washington Square Park, seeing who I can meet. Do you come here often?
Well, I used to study here.
You used to study here?
Yeah, I'm good at NYU.
What kind of things do you like to take photos of?
Wildlife?
Wildlife.
Yeah, mostly wildlife, but I also do I do everything else.
Yeah.
But I love doing wildlife.
Mm-hmm. Like birds and stuff?
No, not really birds.
Not really birds?
I hate birds.
Oh, you hate birds? Oh, man. How could you say that?
Now he's going to be there in 10 minutes.
Okay.
So,
Hey, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
What's your name?
Yeah, you are?
Brent.
Brent, hi. Good to meet you, Brent.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Did you ask for her number?
No.
Did you want to ask? Did you?
Not really.
So was it because she wasn't as cute as you thought, or like what happened? Like why didn't you?
I just didn't feel like it.
Well, there's a difference between wanting to and feeling like it. Like, did you Can you make the difference?
I will ask for a number if I have a desire to see you again.
You don't feel that you were like untrue to yourself by not asking?
Yeah, no, I don't regret.
You were just not that interested.
I was just not that interested.
Was this the first time you were that direct?
Pretty much, yeah. I haven't really gone up to attractive women and just be like, hey, I think you're cute, or I think you look good. Like, how's your day going? So this is very new for me.
Want the next one?
Let's do some more, yeah. Hi, how's your day going?
Good.
Going well. I just want to say I think you look really cute today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you come here often, Washington Square Park? Sometimes? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I like your... Is that cashmere? I really like your sweater. It looks very warm. Did you come here for work or for college or...
For work, so my boyfriend and I both moved to New York together for a long distance.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Cool. And so are you working now?
Well, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. What's your name? I'm Brent. Yeah, nice to meet you. Enjoy the rest of your day. It's a beautiful day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You too.
Take care. I think I also came across a little nervous because I was feeling a little bit nervous. So I
think that too often people see this as like they're learning something new, and I think that's a problem because you already know how to interact with people. Like you're not learning to speak Chinese or you're not learning to speak Spanish.
Right.
Like you are just learning to be consistent across friends and strangers. Like that's just what it is.
It's activating something you already know how to do in a different situation.
You good?
Going. Doing okay?
Yes.
You look very cute today.
Thank you.
Are you here waiting for anybody?
Yes, I am.
You are? Who are you meeting today?
My friend from school.
Friend from school? Did you go to school in the area?
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to meet my friend in a few minutes, but I was wondering if you want to hang out later this week, grab a drink.
I'm going to pass on that. I'm sorry.
You're going to pass on that?
Yeah, I'm passing.
All right. Well, nice seeing you anyway. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you.
I didn't really go that deep into trying to talk with her because I wanted to keep it brief, and I was like, I'm about to meet somebody, but I want to know do you want to meet up later this week if you're free? You want to grab a drink? I forgot exactly what I said. She was like, I'll pass, and I was like, all right, that's fine. Have a great day. It was nice meeting you.
I see.
And so, what was interesting though, there's a guy who's watching this encounter go down, and as I got up and left, this guy he was like, nice job, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Not used to approaching a woman and with the intention of asking her out. That's something I need practice on. That's I'm grateful that that you are encouraging me and putting me in a situation where I can do it. But the thing is, we're always in a situation to do it.
Yeah.
That's the key, right? Excuse me. I don't mean to bother you, but you two women are very beautiful. And are you here waiting for anybody? What brings you to the park today?
No, we're just chilling.
You're just hanging out? Are you locals? Do you live around here? So I have to meet my friend in a few minutes, but I just want to stop by and ask, are you doing anything tonight? Because I'm getting drinks, and I'd love if you could join me.
We have some plans.
You have some plans? Would you maybe want to join me for coffee later this week? Both of you could come. I see you're trying to become like me with your dyed hair, right? Yeah, it looks very nice.
Yeah, we're busy in the week.
You're busy in the week? Maybe I could take your number. I can come back next weekend.
We're not single.
You're not single? All right. Well, either way, you look fantastic. I hope you enjoy this day. Yeah. It was, even though like we didn't get the result we wanted, getting a number or following through, meeting up with somebody, I felt good about that. Like I just felt good about being able to go up to somebody and just express myself. Yeah, it's like I'm learning how to swim in a sense.
It's cool.
By just going into the pool. Excuse me. Excuse me? What book are you reading? Well, that didn't work out.
Did she even hear you?
I don't know if she heard me.
I think she just has headphones.
Yeah, maybe. You know, it's okay. Well, I'll find someone else.
Yeah, she has headphones.
All right.
It's like,
I think you should redo it from the other side.
Yeah, maybe. It's okay.
Yeah, but I honestly think she didn't see you.
Yeah.
You sure don't want to...
Nah.
Why not? What of the chance that she did see you?
Yeah. We'll find somebody else.
I'm just saying that right now, like something like unexpected, like something like happened, and like it is also an opportunity. You know what I mean? Like every
To work with
every bad thing that happens is also an opportunity, right?
Yeah, same in jazz. All right, let's do it. I think I'll want this to be the last one.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it looks like people just sat down next to her, so...
Oh, I see. Okay, so let's find somewhere else.
Yeah.
We walked around a few times. It was the end of the day. We were both pretty tired.
Well, nobody's really inspiring me right now, to be honest. But girl's still there. See, this is a situation where I shouldn't be like overthinking what I'm doing. I should just like just do it. All right, let's do it. Last one. Excuse me. I'm curious. What book are you reading? What book are you reading? I'm curious. A woman looking at men, looking at women.
yeah, what do you do?
You know, I needed a day off, to be honest. Like, I've been so busy the last month with work and just like doing things all day that I said to myself, you know, I'm just gonna come to New York City, come to Washington Square Park, and just like walk around and like talk to people and just try to improvise my way through the day.
It's a good way to do it.
Yeah. I thought I'd sit next to you because you're very beautiful, and I was interested in seeing what you're up to.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Yeah. By trade, I'm a composer. Like, I write music, I arrange music, conduct music, direct.
Really?
I sing.
I used to be ballet troupe professionally.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so I'm like not familiar exactly, but I am,
You
very
dance
well.
to music, right?
Yes.
I have to meet my friend in a couple of minutes, but it was really nice talking to you. And I'd like to know, would you like to grab coffee or dinner with me later this week? I'd love to take you out.
Yeah, I can give you my number.
What's your name? Short?
Do we even introduce ourselves?
I don't think so. So is that short for... Cool.
And you are...
I'm Brent.
Brent, okay.
Yes.
Nice name.
Thank you. I have to give credit to my parents for that one.
Yeah, mine too. Mine too. Sorry, I don't mean to look down my phone. I just was supposed to be with my partner and get back to me.
It's all good.
But enjoy your drinks, dinner with your friend.
Yeah, just hanging out, walking around, and just enjoying this beautiful day as we both are. It sounds like.
It's the best thing to do.
Cool.
Honestly, I wish you'd come here.
Absolutely. All right. I'll text you. Take care.
Did you get her number?
I did.
Oh my god.
Yeah, finally.
No, but like the best part is that you sat next to her. She didn't see you. You left.
Yeah.
Then you wanted to go back. You didn't go back. There were too many people, and then you went, and then it went well. And like I don't know. I just feel like one that is to show that you never know what's gonna happen.
That's right.
Dude, amazing.
Yeah.
Like honestly, I feel like the day couldn't have ended better.
This is the perfect way to cap off a full day of trying to talk to people. Yeah, it was just as you said. Like some people, you just like look in their eyes and like you can instantly tell like if they're interested in talking with you and like if you vibe. And we vibe pretty well.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is like insane. I honestly feel like the day couldn't have ended better. Like,
Yeah.
Like even if you had got someone else's number, like okay, whatever. But like this one is like, yeah, like it really shows. Like now you have an experience where you can say like, no, once like I talked to this girl, she didn't even like hear me. I left, I came back. There were too many people. I got afraid. I left, I came back, and then like that is a very strong reference point to have. Like,
yeah,
like that's like that's rare. So that goes to show that if you experience something that doesn't go well, use this as an opportunity to like double the outcome.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So
I feel great, dude. Like this is not something I've accomplished before. So like even for me at my like relatively young old age, like
how old are you?
I'm 23.
22.
Yeah. So I feel great, and here's the kicker: like if I can do it, you can do it too. Because I'm not special. Like I don't have any special powers, and.
Yeah, so if you want to do it, just send me an email, ruben@socialanimal.us, and if you're especially if right now you're in the East Coast, I'm going to be here for 6 weeks, so let me know and I'll come to you and we'll spend the day like that. I
would not have done this if I didn't like reach out to you and you're like, hey, I'm going to be in New York, let's meet up, let's do this. And so I'm just very grateful that we could meet up and you can put me in a situation where I feel inspired and I feel confident about approaching these random people in the park, not just like attractive ladies who I wanted to ask out, but just anybody, and putting myself in that position of discomfort and breaking the ice. Like I'm just very grateful to actually have done it, and in a way, like I know that I can do this. Like I know what I'm capable of, and I like to take responsibility for my situation. And so actually seeing it in action, seeing myself do it, feeling myself do it, like learning how to swim or like actually being on stage performing, that's where you really learn. And that's where you build the muscles. And I'm just like really happy that I was able to do it.